So in this video today, this is part of Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now today we do have a guest, and it's Denise Glam Style Living. And the theme is a MacKenzie Child Christmas. Now, if you don't have MacKenzie Child items, checkered items, then you can always use black or white Tablescape decor. And so let's get started. Isn't this Tablescape absolutely beautiful, guys? I am loving it. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, I'm going to be linking my channels down below in the description box, guys. All right, so I think that we should start out with the centerpiece. I am loving this. So before I even start talking about that, if you guys haven't been over to Denise Glam Style Living's channel, you need to head on over there. She has amazing content, guys. I absolutely love her tablescapes and her styling techniques. You won't be disappointed. Head on over there, click the like button, leave her a beautiful comment, and let her know that I sent you. Okay? So I love you, sis. All right, so I want you to take a look at these beautiful poinsettias. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Look at that. They have some iridescent in the center. I don't even remember where I got these. That's how long I had them. They are beautiful, and I have two, one on the other side of the table. Then we have one of the flock trees from the Dollar Tree, and this runner here was a gifted item. And it's absolutely gorgeous, guys. Now let's move on over here to these beautiful gold snowflakes. Isn't that beautiful? You're not gonna believe where I got that. These were items that I purchased at Dollar General. So those were an excellent buy. I love it. It is beautiful. Then we have this beautiful cardinal. And so that I got at Dollar General as well. The pick here I got at Walmart, and the candle and the candle holder, I got that at Dollar Tree. Now, this, this stand and this vase I got at Dollar General. Isn't that gorgeous? So I did get this a while back, and that's why it took me a moment just to remember, but I really scored big with these items here. Then I got all, my florals. I absolutely love whites. And then this gold pick here did come from Hobby Lobby. And I believe the florals all came from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. So this centerpiece right here is absolutely amazing to me. I am loving it. So let's see. Let me see here. I moved that runner a little bit. So here is the other poinsettia. And I'm not sure, guys, if this was a thrifted item or not. I just know I fell in love with them and I purchased them. This was a DIY poinsettia globe that I made. Okay, and this little riser, I have it sitting on this riser here, which was also a DIY part of something I did right here on my channel. And I just went ahead and I placed that poinsettia ball right there on the end. And so these are the little pops of red for my tablescape. Now let's start over here with the napkin. So the napkin, I think this was a thrifted item, guys. I absolutely love these napkins. And then the tie came from the Dollar Tree. So I thought that was really beautiful. Okay, I did put one of the mini clips. Now these mini clips, I think I got these from Dollar General. The mini clips. They don't have the mini, and I pulled the clip off, but they don't have the mini clips, I don't think, At Dollar Tree, they have the regular size, but I wanted the minis. So I'm gonna say I got that at Dollar General. Now this plate here was thrifted. I got this at the Goodwill. Now this plate here, this salad plate here did come from Home Goods, and it does have the gold trim on the end. I absolutely love this. Oh my goodness, this was beautiful. Okay, and then the dinner plate did come from the Goodwill. So that was thrifted, and the first one was thrifted. And then here, all right, so let me show you. The Dollar Tree's carrying these chargers, guys, and Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna say it's a do for the Hobby Lobby one, guys, because Hobby Lobby has them. This has the silver trim. I have the gold trim buried somewhere. So I had to use my silver one, but that's okay because I don't have a problem mixing metals. I absolutely love mixing metals, if I said that correctly. Now this placemat did come from an Asian store back home in Pennsylvania, and I thought it would be nice to go ahead and place that first, and then I used a charger, which I did this. We're gonna go ahead and place this back together, and we have the Goodwill plate. Okay, so I love the Harlequin runner, and I love the checkered. This came from Home Goods. So the plate and this little dessert little plate right here did come from the Goodwill, and that salad plate did come from Home Goods. Then we have our napkin right here. So this was a set. This utensil set came from Party City when they were open. And then this is a Home Goods flute, which I thrifted, so that was a bargain. And then here are the water glasses, and that was a thrifted item, guys. So, and then I decided to go ahead and place that poinsettia right there in the center. Now, this is an absolutely gorgeous place setting, guys. And I just find this centerpiece to me is breathtaking, guys. And I love the touch of the cardinal, and I love the berries. I just love this whole set right here. So here is the other place setting. Of course, it looks the same. Okay, it looks the same. There you go. So this is what my table is looking like. And Denise, I hope that you absolutely love how I decorated this table for you. And guys, thank you so much for joining me today in celebrating Denise Glam Style Living. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.